Hey everybody, it's Chris for AllEars TV and AllEars.net with today's Disney Fast Facts. And today we've got 5 fun fast facts about Soarin'. Soarin' used to be Soarin' over California. Soarin' made its debut appearance in Disneyland's California Adventure in 2001 with an original storyline involving a hang gliding adventure over, California. The attraction made its way to Epcot in 2005 for the renovation of the land. At that time, they created a film called Soarin' Around the World to better tie the attraction in with Epcot's World Showcase. Filming took over a year for the attraction as Disney had to receive special permission to fly over certain locations. There's also a lot more CGI involved now than there was with Soarin' over California. Because the footage would look so different from a computer monitor to the actual projection on the ride's dome, the film crew would send footage back to the California team daily. Imagineers would then go into Soarin' at Disney California Adventure at night, put the ride up in the air, and review the Disney World film crew's footage. If they needed any changes or tweaks, the film crew would go back out the next day. Disney World's Soarin' Around the World takes you to Switzerland, Greenland, Australia, Germany, Tanzania, China, Egypt, India, Arizona, Fiji, Argentina, France, with a final landing in Epcot. Versions of the ride in Shanghai Disneyland, Disney California Adventure, and Tokyo Disney Sea all land with footage in their own home location. Soarin' was originally named Ultra Flight, and it took many incarnations before the Imagineers deemed the ride, impossible. The ride was initially conceptualized as a hang gliding simulator with the now infamous dry cleaning idea. That presumed individual seats would rotate on a moving conveyor with guests hanging from hooks like a dry cleaner. It wasn't until Imagineer Mark Sumner happened to discover his childhood erector set during a weekend visit to his parents' house, where he came up with an original prototype that was eventually transformed into an apparatus built from 1 million pounds of steel capable of lifting 37 tons. It's pretty ingenious. 3 mechanisms with 3 sets of seats lift 87 guests per ride. You go from here to here, and within seconds, guests actually feel like they are flying. Disney theme parks are well known for their usage of fragrances to enhance the visitor experience. Flight simulators are well known for creating nausea, but by distracting the senses, these issues can often be neutralized. And for Soarin', the use of perfumes actually helps Disney accomplish 2 goals at once. In the original Soarin', you'd smell evergreens in the mountain sequence and oranges in the orchard scene. In Soarin' Around the World, you smell grass in the elephant scene, roses by the Taj Mahal, and the smell of a sea breeze in Fiji. Now here's some quick tips for Soarin'. If you want the best seat for the ride, tell the cast member that you'd like to be seated in B1. It's the middle section where the images don't appear warped. The ride duration is only 5 minutes. You have to be at least 40 inches tall to ride. Get a fast pass. While the ride is designed for around 1,130 people per hour, waits can get upwards of an hour, so you're on your own if you don't get a fast pass. Also, if you can hit this ride during extra magic hours, especially the evening ones, lines are usually way shorter. Guests in wheelchairs or ECVs must transfer to the ride vehicle. If you're afraid of heights or have an issue with motion sickness, this ride may not be for you. But because the ride movement is minimal, simply closing your eyes may solve any nausea issues. There's your fast, fun facts about Soarin'. Got a great tip or want to talk about your experience? Let us know in the comments. Hey, if you like this video, click on that thumbs up. Be sure to stay tuned to AllEars TV and AllEars.net for more Disney news, fun, and stuff. And follow us on Instagram at AllEars.net. New to the channel? Check out other AllEars videos right here. And please subscribe to AllEars.net. Clang the little notification bell so you immediately get notified when we post a new video. This is Chris for AllEars TV. See you next time.